Hi all, welcome to the Software Development Lifecycle course. In this lecture, we will be looking into what is a waterfall model.
The waterfall approach is one of the first model widely used for software development. Software engineering, as all of us know, is a relatively new branch compared to some of the other branches of engineering like you took civil, mechanical, electrical, etc. So at that point of time, the software industry needed some strong models for developing and delivering high quality software consistently. So they may have looked upon the other branches like civil engineering, mechanical, or various production units where high quality products were developed with minute upfront planning and systematic production in a consistent manner. And this resulted in waterfall model. So in the classical waterfall model, we have divided the total development into multiple phases. So this can be phases, for example, from the requirement to the maintenance phases. So here there are 6 phases. And the main thing about this waterfall model is the process flows from one phase to another in a linear or sequential manner. So what is linear or a sequential manner? Linear or a sequential manner means that the flow happens from one phase to another phase one at a time. So first what we will be looking into, we'll be looking at the requirement, where the requirement collection, requirement analysis and all other feasibility study will happen. Then we'll move into the design phase, where we will do the designs, high level designs, low level designs, all kind of designs, like it can be architectural designs, it can be database design, it can be UI/UX designs. All these kinds of designs we will complete there. Then we'll go to the development state. Now the question is, can I go upward? Can I go from development to the design phase? That is a question. And the answer is obviously no. You cannot go upward. You can only go downwards, one phase to another phase. There is no option of going back or providing the feedback to the previous phases. The output of one phase will be the input of next phase. If you look into the requirement phase, the output of that requirement phase will be something like a detailed requirement specifications, like we called SRS, software requirement specifications, or any kind of functional and non-functional requirement, and that comes into the design part. From the designs we'll have a lot of high level designs, low level designs, and all other type of designs will come into the design phase, which will come into the development side, where the actual development, the coding happens, and finally it goes to the testing. That particular developed application goes to the testing, from where it will go to the deployment, then to the maintenance, and finally we have a feedback to complete the loop. So this loop continues. Will this look similar to a beautiful waterfall, where the water flows to the downstream, where there is no option of going upward? So this looks very beautiful. But what about our model? Whether this is a beautiful model for developing the software? Is there any advantages or disadvantages using this model? Or what are the use cases where we can use this model? Okay, we will look that in our next lecture. Hi all. Thanks for watching the lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.